What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Big C6 here today doing another video. I posted up one video today earlier already. The unboxing of the phone that I'm recording this video from, the LG Stylo 2 on Boost Mobile. Got another package in the mail. One that I've been waiting for. There's my dog Scrappy. This package right here is the package that I've been waiting for quite a while. Finally just got it. Let's open this bad boy up. You guys seen it on the guy's channel. Sorry, I gotta do this with one hand. It's not the easiest thing to do, but once I get me a tripod for my phone, this will be a lot easier. But here we go, guys. Something that I've been waiting for. I've been intensed about. Oh man, I can feel it now. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Alright, guys. I'm going to show you guys this. This is a championship belt that you've seen on T's channel. The Triple Crown Championship. XWE Triple Crown Championship. You've seen it on T's channel. XWE's got the diamonds. Triple Crowns. 7 plate. This bad boy just looks super nasty. I mean, like, it's just wow. It looks great. Look at that bad boy. Look at this 7 plate. It's got the globe, XWE, the lions. It's got the diamonds on it. Ooh. Got the diamonds. Yeah, this thing is bad, boy. Looks real nice, guys. But anyway, guys, this has been it for this video. Like, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.